What's up, you guys? It's your Skinny Boy Randy. Hope you're having a blessed, great, growing, and prosperous day, you guys. It's beautiful out here in Zone 7, Richmond, Virginia, and I am just so excited to be out here working in the actual yard, outside, not the greenhouse, not inside, not seed starting. We're just out here in the garden, you guys. We're right next to our broccoli that we've harvested, and they're reproducing like crazy, you guys. I love you. Thanks for being here. If you're new to my channel, I just love gardening, you guys. I love you for being here. Don't forget, click like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Share the video. All that good stuff. Click the bell and you'll get a notification every time I make a video. Okay, so what I'm doing today in this second video of the day is raised beds. Now, I know a lot of people are online and they're looking and they're like, raised bed, what is it? What are the benefits? What are the drawbacks? How do you make one? Can you buy one? Is it cheap? Is it expensive? You guys, you can make a raised bed almost out of anything, okay? A lot of people put a lot of effort and overthinking it, and a raised bed is just soil over top of Mother Nature's soil that you control. So, therefore, whatever you put in it, you know what soil is growing in. Okay? So, let's just jump right into this video. I'm going to show you a cheap, easy, do-it-yourself raised bed. Now, what I found 4 little wood pieces. They're all about the same size. I found these in the backyard, y'all, behind the shed. You know, this is a new home for me. So I'm still finding little things that we can use. Never throw stuff away. So I have 4 of these, okay? Now, you can nail them together. You can screw them together. You can do it however you want to do it. But I'm going to show you a quick and easy way. For those of us who, you know, don't like to hammer and nail and screwdriver and drill and all that good stuff. So what we're going to do is take our precious garden hoe. Real quick and easy, you guys, okay? I'm going to show you this real quick. And I'm going to draw out the line of where we want our raised bed. See? I'm just going to draw out the line. Okay? Then I'm going to come this way. And I'm kind of eyeballing it. Then I'm going to come this way. And then we're going to go this way. Okay, you guys? So we've made our outline. Okay? So now all I'm going to do is take my wood. Like I said, you guys, this is going to be real simple and easy. And slide it back and forth. Kind of like this. Can you see that, you guys? Kind of slide it back and forth. Pack your soil around it on both sides. Ouch. Be careful if you have nails in your board. Just pack your board like that. Okay? Come down this end. Swish it back and forth. You see that, y'all? Swish it back and forth. Pack your loose soil on the outside if you can. All the way around. Come on over to the third side. We're going to do the exact same thing. Squish it down, son. Like that. Take our soil. You can use all this soil inside of here, y'all. Take it on out. And pack it up against the outside of your raised bed. Yeah, you guys, we're doing raised bed. You can pick out your grass as you go along. You know, some of the leaves. You know, just get that stuff out the way. You see that, you guys? You see that? Y'all see that? Now, you know, we see a lot of videos out here on these raised beds. And how much money you need to spend, what you need to do, you know, to make sure it's right. I just come in here, pack around the edges. Come in here, pack around the edges. Take all your extra soil, pack around the outside, you guys. Because we're going to fill the inside with our own growing medium. Okay? So, we're doing the outside. Okay? Look at that, y'all. It don't have to be perfect and pretty. You know what you're using it for. You see that? You guys see that? raised bed. Just that fast. A raised bed in less than, how long I've been on here? Hi, you guys, 5 minutes? I built this raised bed in 5 minutes, you guys. Yeah. So, I'm gonna put the camera back over here so I can continue on showing you, showing you what to do next. Okay, so we have our raised bed. We have our pre-made soil. You see that, you guys? Look. And if you had a hammer, you can hammer it down a little bit more if you like. However you like to do your raised bed. Remember, it's your garden. You do what you want to do. And look, y'all. This raised bed is ready to plant whatever you want inside of it. You see that? Yep. Just that fast, you guys. That's all it takes. It's pretty much having a base built inches away from Mother Nature's soil. Yep. And that's how you do that. You see that, you guys? I hope you're having a great, growing, blessed, and prosperous day. It's just Skinny Boy Randy showing you just how to make a quick and easy raised bed gardening. Remember, you guys, live, love, laugh, grow stuff, and eat it! Peace out. You're the best. Oh, didn't put the damn thing in there. Give me